Hey viewers, thanks for tuning in with Consumer Resource again. Today I'm here to tell you about a book that apparently I just saw that the traffic courts are trying to ban this book. Um, it I ran into this book because in California, Santa Barbara, where I am right now, police are cracking down harder than ever, and I've gotten stupid tickets like jaywalking and failure to stop at a red light. When I was on my bike, and there was a guy in a car that actually ran the red light, and I got pulled over on the bike and got a $450 ticket. That's when I kind of started looking for a way to not have to pay it and ways that I could fight it. And I found this really great book. Really hope it's not going to get banned like what they're talking about right now. But it'll tell you how to beat not just speeding tickets, any ticket. There's just so many great things in this book. It's like 200 pages, covers radar, moving radar, stationary radar, laser, pacing, aerial, VASCAR, construction zones. Over thousands of people have bought this book. I mean, here's some of the stuff that's in it. How to give the judge no choice but to dismiss your case in less than 5 minutes. The one piece of evidence to ask for in court that the prosecution will never bring. How to have a laser ticket thrown out of court 90% of the time based on a technicality. You'll receive different defenses for different violations. How you can speed over the limit legally, an ingenious way to prevent the officer from going to court so that your case automatically gets dismissed. You don't have to lie, you don't have to argue with the judge back and forth. I mean, all this stuff is like guaranteed. I mean, he has a money back guarantee, but I mean, that's not even what this is about. This book just cannot get banned, guys. Like, whatever we can do, we need to take a stand. You won't have to testify on stand. You won't have to interview and bring witnesses. You won't have to memorize anything. You don't have to prove your innocence, and you don't have to make embarrassing pleas for mercy. Here's other things in it. Bring this document with you to court. He'll give it to you, and watch how fast your trial ends. Find out the importance of reading the back of your ticket and the irreversible troubles that can occur if you don't. How to prevent the judge from rescheduling a new court date in the event that the officer doesn't show up to court. See what the cop is legally required to do during a traffic stop that they never do, and how you can use it against them in court to get it dismissed. How to make the prosecutor beg you to take a plea bargain and prevent the ticket from showing up on your record. Exactly what to say if the prosecutor fails to show up for court to stop the trial from going any further, and you just have to say one thing and the case is over. A brilliant way to actually admit to speeding in front of the judge but not get found guilty. Only admit to speeding in court by doing it this way. The one thing you should never do in court that just about everyone does. Avoid making this one common mistake and you'll win your case. How to get a new trial in front of a different judge if you're found guilty. It's an incredibly shrewd legal maneuver. It gives you 2 chances to beat your ticket. I mean, I've bought this book and I've it's saved me hundreds of dollars on a few different tickets since I got it. And, I haven't even read all of it, but, I mean, every time that I have had a ticket, it's in here, guys. And this is not an expensive book, and it's money-back guarantee. Avoid these 3 deadly mistakes people do before court that automatically loses the case for them. How to find fatal flaws on your ticket. 1 in 25 tickets usually has them. Discover the very first thing you should do when your case is called, and if you don't do it, you're screwed. How to use the radar gun serial number to have it thrown out as evidence so they'll have nothing to convict you with. How to beat a radar-enforced ticket within 2 minutes of the start of trial with the cunning tactic. How to beat laser-enforced speeding ticket each and every single time simply by asking for this. How to beat a work zone speeding ticket by utilizing a special law that prevents the officer from conducting traffic enforcement in that area. Several ways to beat your speeding ticket without ever having to cross-examine the cop. An easy, almost unbeatable way to wipe out moving radar, pacing, and VASCAR speeding tickets. Take advantage of a secret government ruling that practically forces the judge to dismiss the entire case against you. Gives you complete access to it. And a hidden loophole to stop the trial before it even starts if you are pulled over by a squad car with 2 police officers in it. It's just ridiculous. There's all these bonuses in it, too. I'm going to show you guys a secret so you guys won't even have to pay the price $49.95. You can actually get $20 off. I'll show you that right now. 3 free bonuses. You get auto insurance secrets, all kinds of things in there. 60 fuel-saving tips that gas stations really don't want you to know, how to get someone else to pay your speeding ticket. There's actually a company that exists that will pay, it's a government company, but they will pay your speeding ticket for you to help you out. And it's a maximum of $300, but there's amazing information in this. So, I mean, I think I've pretty much done justice to it here with this testimonial, but you guys, really, I just hope this doesn't get banned. I mean, I really think this is helping way too many people to fight their tickets, you know. Here's another amazing one: how a regular bottle of Aquafina can make you ticket-proof, why you should not have your driver's license ready for the police officer, one of these on your car and virtually eliminate any chance of getting pulled over, why every female should keep a picture of their boyfriend or husband in the car to make the officer completely change his mind about writing the ticket, what 5 words to say to the officer to dramatically increase the chances of beating your ticket in court. So much, you guys. There's just tons of stuff. Photo radar secrets. There's actually something just for people in California. There's special laws just in California for when you get pulled over and you get a ticket, that this only applies here, and no Californian should go to court without knowing this stuff. I mean, some of this stuff is just amazing. Private notes, and then the 60-day money-back guarantee, and then you have all these bonuses here. And so you go all the way down to the bottom, and it's not $49.95 anymore. It's $29, just like I showed you. So, I mean, really, hopefully they don't end up, what I'm hearing is they're trying to ban this, but I really hope that that's not the case. Yeah, you know, I mean, this helped me so much on a few tickets. I saved over like at least $400 on 2 different tickets by reducing them. And I haven't actually had a speeding ticket that I've used this on, but you better be sure that I would. But yeah, so with that being said, I'll just put the link up in the description of the YouTube video. I really encourage you guys to check it out. And yeah, hopefully by the time you do it, they don't ban this book from being sold. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope it was helpful, and hope you have a great day.